How many of you have ever dated someone who needed constant attention? For those of you, grab a sip and let's get started. Unlike dating, at least in commercial real estate, property maintenance is similar. But thankfully, it pays off with fewer surprises and more stability. Hey, real estate investors, Amit Grover here from ECMP Studios. Today, we're going to focus on the ongoing dance of property maintenance and management. Like any good relationship, keeping your property in top condition requires attention, regular checkups, and sometimes a bit of TLC. Effective property management starts with proactive maintenance. This means regularly scheduled inspections to catch issues like leaks or electrical problems before they turn into expensive disasters. Think of it as remembering important dates in a relationship. You don't want to wait for a problem to arise, you want to prevent it. Next, let's talk about dealing with tenant requests. Responsive management is key. When a tenant reports a problem, treating it urgently is not just good service, it's respecting their space. It's similar to listening and reacting constructively to your partner's needs. Seasonal maintenance is another critical aspect. Preparing your properties for changing seasons, like cleaning gutters before a rainy season or checking the heating system before winter, can prevent major issues. It's like adapting to your partner's needs as the relationship grows, ensuring longevity and happiness. Utilizing technology can also streamline property management. From digital rent payments to online maintenance requests, technology ensures things run smoothly and efficiently, reducing misunderstandings and delays. It's like using an app that gives you ideas how to keep your relationship fresh and interesting. For landlords, the goal is always to maintain property that attracts and retains high quality tenants. A well maintained property not only commands higher rents, but also fewer vacancies and happier long term tenants. Have you mastered the art of property maintenance, or do you have a maintenance nightmare to share? Let's discuss in the comments below. Coming up, we will explore tenant relationships and retention. Just as in a relationship, the secret to long term success is keeping those you value most happy and committed. If you're looking for more insights or need more personal guidance, remember, you can always reach out to us at ECMP. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay